Hello everyone, this is Jim from DuraMac. In this video, I will introduce Sany-Palfinger SPK12000 Knuckle Boom Crane series products. Knuckle Boom Crane is a folding boom lifting device that achieves boom extension and folding through a hydraulic system. Sany-Palfinger SPK12000 Knuckle Boom Crane is the series products that have the 12 metric tons total maximum lifting moment. The slewing angle is 420 degrees, and slewing torque is 1.4 metric tons. The pump capacity is 35 to 50 liters per minute, and the operating pressure is 30 megapascal. There are 5 models in SPK12000 series, which are SPK12000, SPK12000A, SPK12000B, SPK12000C, SPK12000D, which covers 1 to 5 hydraulic boom extensions with maximum lifting capacity from 6,360 to 6,790 kg, while the maximum hydraulic average is between 6.1 to 14.3 meters. Sany SPK12000 Knuckle Boom Crane's high-speed motion system increased the boom extension speed by 30%, greatly improved its working efficiency. To ensure the capacity and safety of the crane, the structural part of the Knuckle Boom Crane is usually made of high-strength steel. These steels have excellent tensile strength and durability, can withstand the pressure and stress when lifting heavy objects. Advanced manufacturing processes and design concepts ensure that the crane maintains its lifting capacity while reducing its own weight, increasing the customer's payload and fuel economy. Equipped with high-pressure oil filters to improve oil cleanliness, reduce crane failures, and extend service life, the crane can be optionally equipped with telescopic booms, slide arms, remote controls, winches, and accessories according to customer need, offering mature design solutions for multiple uses. As official distributor of Sany-Palfinger, DuraMac provides both truck-mounted crane and crane trucks. Working closely with business partners, we are offering different chassis options, including Dongfeng, Checkman, and Sino Truck. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact DuraMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.DuraMac.com.